Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Next GA Aircraft. May Kate Bueller here with a stunning Speedbird to tell you about today. She's a 2013 Cessna TTX, the airplane with the remarkable pedigree. One owner, beautiful condition, fully loaded, and a joy to fly. Let's check her out. So let's talk about your race-bred engine. Teledyne Continental TSIO 550, 310 horsepower, twin turbocharged, 600 hours on the engine, airframe, and prop since new. Only 45 hours on the engine since top overhaul. This Speedbird is ready for your next great adventure. Beautifully equipped TKS DI system on board, and we're talking fast speeds. How would you like to scream through the skies at 235 knots? We can go as high as flight level 250. Yes, we do have built-in oxygen on board. And regarding the range, how does 1,200 nautical miles without a pit stop with IFR reserves sound? With an airplane this sleek, this fast, this slippery, you might think, oh, she's got to be really hard to slow down. Well, that's what the speed brakes are for, and you know what? There's no limitation. So let's say we're coming in hot and high, and you really don't want to just chop the power for fear of perhaps shock cooling the engine. Well, we can deploy the speed brakes. So we're coming into land, and for some reason we have to go around, but you forget to retract them, not a problem. The airplane's going to climb just fine. The exterior of this TTX, it's a head turner, chrome yellow, carbon black pearl, and light charcoal pearl. Only 600 hours total time on the airframe since new. When you have an airplane this gorgeous, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. Think of all the great places we can go, like Aspen or to the Bahamas. You might want to take your golf clubs with you, or perhaps your skis. We can carry up to 120 pounds back here. But you might wonder, well, how are my skis going to fit? All right, check out that black bar. All we need to do is remove it. We can fold the seats down and load the airplane just like an SUV. So come on in and check out the interior. It is luxurious, black citation grade leather. Folks, this is probably the nicest interior I have ever seen. Beautiful sidewalls and headliner, shoulder harnesses for everybody, set it and forget it, climate control, air conditioning, built-in oxygen, so much to love. Check out the flight deck, Garmin G2000 intrinsic cockpit with WAS and synthetic vision technologies. You'll enjoy a touchscreen controller, transponder Mode S with traffic and ADS-B out, Navcom GPS WAS with glide slope on the number 2. We have a flight display that's 14 inches PFD with split screen and MFD, dual AHRS, flight information system with XM radio, TAWS-B, synthetic vision, electronic stability protection, GFC 700 autopilot, go-around switch, electric trim, autopilot disconnect, control stick steering button, Garmin Safe Taxi, flight charts and electronic checklist, traffic advisory system, backup airspeed altimeter and attitude indicator, built-in pulse oximeter, rudder hold and CO2 detector, and so much more. Other features you will appreciate: full TKS inadvertent de-ice, built-in 4-place oxygen, rosin sun visors, winterization kit, Tannis engine preheater, and more. This beautiful 2013 Cessna TTX, she's looking for a new home. Folks, she's like brand new, in gorgeous condition, only one owner, fully loaded, always taken care of, no damage history. So much to love here, and what a stunner. Your opportunity to own a little piece of Columbia history. Think of the pedigree, the Lancer, the Columbia, the Cessna 400, the Corvallis, the TTX. Nothing like it out there, folks. If you like to go fast and look good doing it, this is your bird. TTX School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new-to-you Speedbird. So come check us out. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Next GA Aircraft. I'm May Kate Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.